Emu oil, derived from the fat of the emu, has been used for centuries by the Aborigines of Australia as a part of a powerful and effective medicinal tradition. With modern refining methods, Western science has been able to improve and expand the uses of emu oil. The healing properties of emu oil are almost too good to believe, but it's no snake oil. Emu oil has many uses, including treatment and relief for burns, wounds, arthritis, and to reduce the appearance of scars, as well as treatment for other ailments. There have been many scientific studies in the past decade that are bringing validity to these statements. A little emu oil goes a long way. Just a drop or two is usually all that is needed. If the oil is not absorbed into the skin quickly, you may have used too much. Emu oil is great as a moisturizer for all parts of the body, and it has been clinically proven to be non-comedogenic, meaning it will not clog pores. It has also been proven to thicken thin skin, a problem often seen in later life. Today, the oil is produced for non-prescription consumption, both in a pure form or in value-added products. A popular and effective application of emu oil is to reduce muscle and joint pain. This is due to the oil's natural anti-inflammatory properties.
Inflammation is a very common problem. When you have arthritis or a joint problem or pain anywhere, that's stagnation of blood and it's not moving the way it should. Sort of like if you turn on a garden hose and then you stand on the hose, you reduce the amount of water going through the hose, and then you take your foot off and then you get a sudden burst of water through the hose. Emu oil helps the blood platelets to be less sticky, helps them move better, helps reduce the inflammation.
Though it is considered powerful by itself due to the high levels of omega-3, 6, and 9, emu oil's transdermal properties have gotten the attention of medical doctors who have had much success in using it in conjunction with modern medications to heal wounds in record times. Dr. Robert Winston has used emu oil in his Tennessee clinic with 100% positive results on healing stubborn wounds that would have otherwise resulted in amputation.
This was a 96-year-old male that was in the nursing home. They've been treating this wound with normal saline gentamicin solution for 2 years. It did not heal. The bone was constantly exposed. Emu oil, being a component, decreased inflammation. It decreased platelet attraction. It causes rapid tissue regeneration and tissue repair. So in essence, you got what was a stage 4, which is all the way to the bone, to stage 2 in a 2-week period of time. You got this regrowth over the bone.
Emu oil is virtually tasteless and odorless, and all oil that is certified fully refined by the American Emu Association is safe not only for topical applications, but also completely edible.
If you're going to get anything to absorb and be assimilated into the body without using any type of chemical, then what you've got to do is get the gut to absorb it. In the same way that you would have the transdermal benefits of emu oil externally when you rub it on the skin, you could have it internally as well.
The high levels of omega-3, 6, and 9 in emu oil makes it a great alternative to fish oil supplements, which can leave the user with unpleasant tastes or smells.
Fish oil has some interesting properties, very good properties, but again, it's not very consumer friendly. Eventually, it will actually perforate and go through the skin, and you will actually smell like fish. And it's like I've had people said the benefits of garlic. I said, yeah, but you ever smell anybody after they took garlic for a few days?
Clinical tests at the University of Massachusetts found that emu oil not only lowered LDL, or the bad cholesterol, but also increased HDL, or good cholesterol. With all of the prescription medications on the market today, Americans should be some of the healthiest people on the planet. But the negative side effects of these medications have made headlines in recent years, causing more pain and in some extreme cases even death. While emu oil may not help all ailments, the negative side effects of natural emu oil are few and far between. And even if emu oil alone cannot treat the ailment, it can most likely help the body to absorb modern medicines, sometimes in ways not thought of before. With ever-increasing clinical and anecdotal evidence of the effectiveness of emu oil on both the outside and inside of the body, why not give emu oil a try for a healthier you?